Good morning students, welcome back to Maths class. Take your homework note, let us check the solutions for previous day home assignment. Exercise 1.4, second Roman letter, find the product of a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, which is equal to a into the second expression plus b into the second expression. Multiply this a with the terms inside this expression and multiply this b with the terms inside the expression. A cube minus a square b plus ab square plus a square b minus ab square plus b cube. And this is minus a square b and plus a square b get cancelled. Similarly, plus ab square and minus ab square get cancelled. So the terms left here is a cube plus b cube. So a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is equal to a cube plus b cube. Next question. A square b plus ba square plus ab into a square minus b square. A square b and ba square are same. So you can write this one as a square b plus a square b is equal to 2a square b plus ab into the second expression a square minus b square. So multiply this 2a square b with the second expression, then with this ab the second expression. 2a power 4b minus 2a square b cube plus a cube b minus a b cube. These are all different terms. We cannot simplify this one further. So your answer is a square b plus ba square plus ab into a square minus b square is equal to 2a power 4b minus 2a square b cube plus a cube b minus ab cube. Let us have a small recall about what we have learnt in the previous class. What is the rule to be followed in multiplication of your compound expression by a simple expression? Yes, the rule is multiply each term in the bracket by the term outside it. What is the rule to be followed in multiplication of two compound expressions? The rule is multiply each term of one expression by each term of second and find the sum of the products. Do you all like statement sums? Is it easy for you to solve? The easy way to solve the statement sum is converting the statement into mathematical expressions. In today's class, we are going to learn about translate the statement into mathematical expressions. Exercise 1.4, write the mathematical expression for the following statements. The first question, subtract x from y and multiply the result by 2. Subtract x from y, which means that subtract x from y is y minus x and multiply the result by 2. Now we have got the result as y minus x. Now you have to multiply this one by 2. So you can write the solution as subtract x from y is y minus ax and multiply the result by 2. So your answer is 2 into y minus x. Second question, add 5 times of x and 4 times of y and multiply the result by 7 times of x. Add 5 times of x is 5x. 4 times of y is 4y. They are given here as add 5 times of x and 4 times of y. So now you have to add 5 times of x and 4 times of y. Multiply the result by 7 times of x. Now you got the result as 5x plus 4y. Now you should multiply the result by 7 times of x, which means that 7x. Now you should multiply the result by 7x. 7x into 5x plus 4y. Third question, the sum of x and y and multiplied by the difference of x and y. The sum of x and y is x plus y. The difference of x and y is x minus y. The sum of x and y and multiplied by the difference of x and y. So you should multiply this x plus y and x minus y. So your answer is x plus y into x minus y. This bracket stands for multiplication. Fourth question, sum of 4 times p and 5 times q and subtract from the difference of 3 times a and 2 times d. 4 times p is 4p. 5 times q is 5q. You have to add sum of 4 times p and 5 times q, which means that you have to add 4p plus 5q. Next, subtract from the difference of 3 times a is 3a and 2 times d is 2d. Now, so first you have to write a difference of 3 times a and 2 times d. So you have to write it as 3 times a and 2 times d. This is the difference of 3 times a and 2 times d. You have to subtract 4 times of p and 5 times of q. So subtract the sum of 4 times of p and 5 times of q. Is it clear? Yes. Sum of 4 times p and 5 times q, subtract from the difference of 3 times a and 2 times d. So difference of 3 times a and 2 times d is 3a minus 2d, and you have to subtract sum of 4p and 5q. So answer is 3a minus 2d minus 4p plus 5q. Next question. A man's age after 5 years. Now you can write it as, let the present age be x. So after 5 years his age is x plus 5. His age after 5 years is x plus 5. Students, you can copy down today's homework now. Thank you.